All right, so welcome back to another weekly Vive video. Um, I've had a lot of opportunities to do lots of things this week. The first is I purchased a lot of things from the Steam sale. I could go through my library and list all of them. I think I bought 14 titles, but I also ran out of money. And thankfully, a really cool person on Reddit actually gifted me a copy of Mind OVR Matter, which is a new game which is not yet available on sale, but did just recently become available at a really low price of $2.99. So, as a gesture of goodwill to the nice person that gave me this game, and also to the developer who's looking for people to discover this title, I'm going to give this game a shot for the first time right now on our weekly video. And then I'm going to highlight one of my favorite low-cost games as well. So let's see. Welcome back. Thank you for playing. Hold the trigger and move your hand near an object to grab it. Okay. So hold the trigger. How do I throw you? There we go. Cool. All right. So seems simple enough. Let's see. Let's start right there. And of course, it's right outside the belongings. All right. So playground. Let's see here. Right menu button resets, left menu button returns home. I see kind of a bouncy ball there. Nice. And one of the things I've noticed I kind of want to bring it back closer to me though. How do I do that? Oh, there we go. Nice. So let's see what happens when we launch something. I'm not sure what this is going to do. That's pretty fun. So I think this will take me back. Yes. Now I'm going to do some training. I will do training stationary so that we're in one spot. Destroy the drone to begin training. Wave 1. So I see what you're supposed to do now. This is cool. So there's some drones in the air. Trying to kill them. This is cool. Uh-oh. What happened there? I think I died. Let's try one more time. Whoa. Is this right? There we go. So back to destroying the drone. Alright, wave 2. And I died already. Oh well. The thing I don't like is I don't seem to be able to just reset that level. There we go. Okay. What I'm noticing is I don't seem to be able to move around, whereas in that playground level I could. So this is kind of like bullet time. And I died. So that's Mind Over Matter. I'm not going to spend too much more time on this particular game. But pretty fun. The other game I wanted to show everyone this week is one that my wife and I have really enjoyed since the Vive launched. And it's called Light Repair Team Number 4. This game is on sale on the Steam sale this week. And is definitely one that if you have the opportunity, I would say grab. It's 33% off right now. It's a puzzle game. Practically anyone can play this game. Even if you don't like games, this is one that's got the mechanics down that you can actually play and enjoy. So you just grab a mirror and then turn it to reflect the level that you want to play. So I'm going to start on level 1. One of the things I have to do is kind of move myself to aim to the one that I want to do. So I apologize if you can't see me because I keep turning around. What we're doing is just aiming these light beams, and as you can see, you're repairing the lights in the city around you. It's pretty fun. I'm going to do 3 levels, so that was the first one. You'll see there's a blue target up there, and a yellow target up there. So what I need to do is aim this yellow beam toward that yellow target. Getting higher and higher. And close. So there's the yellow beam. And now the blue beam. And it gets more and more complex as you go. Again, the city's lighting up around me. And we move on to the third challenge. You've got a red one, a yellow one. That red one's already going where it's supposed to. There's an orange one right there, though. I need to bend a light beam to become the orange beam. There's an orange beam right there. And then let's see, what's the other color? Yellow. And there's the lights, so they've been repaired. So as you can see, it gets progressively harder as you go. It gives you just the amount of tools that you need to complete the puzzle. And this one's a little bit harder, a little bit more challenging. Definitely one that I would suggest picking up. I just wanted to do a quick run through of this one. So that's light repair team number 4. The other thing I want to give everybody the opportunity to do is when you're done with this video today, a few big things are happening this week. First of all, PlayStation VR is now available in some Best Buy locations in the United States, as well as some GameStop locations. I had the opportunity to play Headmaster yesterday. You can check out the video in my channel. Really fun. If you don't yet have VR in your home, check out the PlayStation VR. See if it's the right thing for you. It's not going to be a perfect fit for everyone, but it definitely felt like it was a consumer-ready device, and I'm excited to see it in the marketplace. The other is my friends over at Mario Marathon are at it again. It's their 8th marathon. They're playing through all of the Mario games. I believe they're using the Wii U, but they're playing through classic games all the way up through the most recent games. It's at mariomarathon.com, and I'll add a link to it in this video description as well. They're playing for a limited time. I believe their plan is to finish up sometime Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. So go check them out. They're raising money for Child's Play, which is an awesome charity. And any money that you have left over from the Steam sale, go check it out. Mario is sort of available in an emulator fashion in Dolphin VR 5.0, which recently released, but it's not necessarily legal to have an ISO image, so I'm not going to be playing that on this stream. But again, Dolphin VR is available as well if you want to check out some Nintendo action on your Vive or other VR headsets. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video this week. I will see you next week with more new content. And if you have the opportunity, get out there and enjoy some VR. Thanks.